way so I don't hit the...
Continuing on the drive-through and Nathan's broken door. I mean broken window. So he's gonna open his door at the drive-through. You're jacking up.
What fell?
It's okay, it's on my foot.
I'll be there.
I'll be there.
Keep an eye on him. Ew!
Stop farting.
So cool.
Give your reasoning.
Dude, okay, my sunglasses are down there.
Shower, you won't roll down, shower.
Stop farting, dude.
That's horrible.
Oh.
Give it to Matthew.
You want to change?
No, you did.
We should get to the other guy.
Thank you.
No, he's gone.
Alright. And that's how we do it.
So we roll in the ghetto, guys.
Yeah.